The most unexpected happened.
Oh, that's India. Fielder can thunder it and he's got to go. Tashkin has his first international wicket and it's a big one. Just too quick for Uthappa on that occasion. Went for a pull. The ball got onto him far too quickly.
Well, talking about the most unexpected happening, that's what's happened right here. Ziaur Rahman makes it look easier, grabs onto it, and Tashkin is over the moon. And why not? Because he's taken his first wicket. Good wicket of Robin Uthappa. 14 he scored. India are now 26 for 2. Well, that's an appeal and up goes the finger. That's him, pretty straightforward. Very tentative little push. He looks disappointed, but maybe he thought he got an edge to it. I'm not quite sure. But Bangladesh have struck again.
What a debut. Very impressive. Tashkin has been a revelation. Wonderful action. Strong lad, 19 years old. And this was intended. He was an off-cutter. And the half-hearted, half-cock forward. He was disappointed because he thought he played forward. But it wasn't a forward, was it? Wonderful bowling. Look at that joy on Tashkin's face. So India in real trouble now. 28 for 3. Of the guys who are looking good today, Tashkin is in his 5th over. Again one going, and he's been given it. Big trouble. Tashkin is running through this batting order. What a debut he's having. Being rewarded for the line and the length he's kept. It's a wonderful display of controlled seam bowling.
He's on fire. Oh yes. Would have gone and hit the middle and leg. That one came back. Beaten by pace. Lovely delivery from the youngster. Well, he's shown what he is all about. Pujara gone for 11. India in a spot of bother. 55 for 4.
Till now. Oh, has he got an edge? I think he has. There was a sound. Yes, the finger goes up. He took his time there, Dharmasena. But Stuart Binny really was left just in two minds, literally. Just hung his bat out to dry there.
Such a lazy looking shot. You're playing away from his body. Oh, definite sound, definite edge, no problems, Mushfiqur Rahim, and the young man has really struck gold. This is super stuff from Tashkin Ahmed. Another wicket. Binny goes for 3. India in tatters, 81 for 8.
From Tashkin.
Oh, good delivery and appeal, and he's got it again. Just a little thought crossed the mind of Kumar Dharmasena. He's got a 5er in his debut in one-day internationals. What a superb exhibition of bowling from young Tashkin Ahmed. Congratulations, young man.
Star is born, Shamim. Look at that. He's kept it on. Bang. Slightly maybe drifting, but he was so far back in the crease that umpire thought for a while. Dharmasena said, here you go, here's a 5er. Wonderful figures. 5 for 22. Amit Mishra disappoints. They pass for 4. And India in big trouble. 86 for 9.